Hello guys, welcome back to the section 2 of part 2 in a hypertext markup language course, HTML course. Now let's get back to bracket editor. I have created a file here named as picture.html, which is a hypertext markup language file, and then I'm going to our basic structure and copy what is over there, paste it inside our web page and give it a space here. Okay, and go back to txt and copy what we have over there and come and paste it here too. Now I'll give explanation to what I'm copying and pasting. What is all this bunch? Now let me uncomment this. We've looked at the use of the comment, so I'm just going to uncomment it by Ctrl+X and then come here, paste the comment here. I only need here for now. Okay, so with this we have specified that we need image. Okay, someone is going to type this, that's why I made mention of this, but this is not the way to specify the image element. To specify the image element, you have to say img, so that you include the src, the source of it, inside. Now this picture is not valid, so nothing is showing, so I'm going to specify the path of my picture just like I've said in the other video. This is the way to specify our picture path. Okay, oops, something bad has happened. Okay, all right, paste this one there, bring this, bring that. Okay, so when we specify our path, then now the picture is going to load. So it has an element called img given attributes as source, and also have another attribute as height and width. The height and width specify how you want the height to be inside the browser and the width to be inside the browser. Now when we live reload our work, we can see what is happening over here. This is actually not nice, but let's see what happens. Okay, let's get back to this, put everything in single quote since we started with that. Okay, so in the height, and get back to here, put this in the height, get back to here, put this in the height, in a single quote, and then we go back to our page and you can see it's appeared here. You can see the image though, but it doesn't, the visualization is not clear. So what the measures that we have to take is that if you look at this picture, you come back to the code, we gave it height and width, but when the height and width of an image or anything like image or video shouldn't be equal, because if it is equal, the visualization wouldn't be clear. The ratio of height to width is different, so we just have to take this one off. So let's just clear this and leave one. When we leave one, the browser itself adjusts the width for us, give us the corresponding width. Since we specify the height, it gives us the corresponding weight ratio. So you can see now the visualization is clear and the picture is nicely displayed. Let's get back to our code, and then we are going to add another attribute called title attribute and pass out a value to it. So we are just going to copy, come here and paste it here. Okay, when we save it, now let me just Ctrl+Z it and save it. Let's get back to this again. See what happens. The title is not there, so when I put the mouse over it, nothing displays. But when I just include the title again and Ctrl+Z it, Ctrl+S it, and come back to it, you will see that when you reload the page and come back to it, the title is being displayed. So when you put your mouse over it, it gives you the title of the image. So Dawood at his residence is the title. Now let's get back to here and copy a couple of things again. So what I'm going to copy is the alt. Okay, when I copy the alt, what is the function of the alt? When you copy the alt and paste it inside your image element, the attribute alt receiving the value Dawood, alt attribute just makes it available, so that let's say when your image is being loaded to the web page and the data of the person is running slow, the network is making your page run at a slow rate, what will appear is that instead of this image appearing, you will see Dawood, a name, an alt called Dawood, and then telling the person that the image name is called what? Dawood. So you won't see its effect here, except that if it was not loading. So let's just get back to it. Let me just make a good mistake here. Control plus, as the Dawood is not spelled well. So let's get back to it. Now you can see that because it wasn't spelled well, it tells you that what? Dawood is the name of the picture. So the picture is a picture of what? Dawood. Now let's just go back and fix the D there. Okay. Okay, and everything will work again perfectly. Okay, fine. Now, what is the next thing we have to do? I want to include this in an anchor tag. I'll teach you more about anchor tag, but in this video, just relax and look at how it works. Okay, Control plus S. Now I'm going to copy this, the closing tag, and then paste it here, and give it a target to be blank. Okay, where is the target? I don't have target here. Okay, so I'm just going to Control plus S here, and let's get back to it. Now when you put your mouse over it, it changes to a hand cursor, and then when you click on it, it load, takes you to the path of the image. So this is the way to use image path. Now you can easily change the image. Now that we have everything, I can easily say Control, copy everything. I'm going to display another picture again. Oops, someone is going to ask, who is that? So I'm just going to say that this is shoe. I said 6'2", so if you don't understand, just go and bet. Okay, and then let's get back to here, and we say 6'2", and we are going to save this, and let's get back to our web page. So we can include many pictures, as many as we want. That is what I want you to understand over here. You can include as many as you want over there. So you can see that the picture is here, another picture is there. You can include it anywhere that you want it to be. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching this section of the video. Until we meet again, I'll just say peace.